Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great eye treatment remedy. This drink would actually help you to actually forget your glasses at home. Just keep it at home and move on. It's great for eye infections and painful eyesight. Okay, so this is literally going to transform you and you are going to be happy you tried this out. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so are you actually having problems with your eyesight, or you're actually having some infections or short-sightedness? You want to solve that, you don't know what you've actually been using? Yeah guys, so I have a solution for you and this is your solution. This is grape. Okay, grape orange. I don't know if I should call it grape orange. It's a citric fruit though, but it's called grape. Yeah, so what you're going to do here is that we're going to be extracting the juice from this grape. I don't know how your grape in your country used to look, but this is how my grape in my country used to look like. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to be extracting it like this. So this is how this particular grape looks like from the inside. Alright guys, so this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna be getting a blender and I'm gonna be transferring this grape into my blender. And then we're also going to be making use of onion. Onion is actually very good, especially red onion. Now if you're working on your eyesight, you have to use red onion. Okay, red onion is actually what is recommended or needed for this particular short-sightedness or eye problem or infection. So if you're having infection, if you're actually having any eye infection, this red onion is actually going to help you to clear it up, and you're going to be cutting the full onion. And then I'll grab my blender and transfer the onion into the blender. I'm going to be putting in just a little water, cover it up, and then I'm going to blend. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how it looks like right now, and I'm gonna be getting something to sieve this out. This is grape and red onion. Okay guys, so this is it, the grape and the red onion into the cup, and here we have it. Alright guys, so we're also going to be making use of carrots. Now carrots is actually very essential when it comes to the eye sight. Okay, it helps to clear cataract, it helps to heal eye pain, and it also helps for short-sightedness. Okay, so we're gonna be needing this carrot, and we're gonna be peeling everything. Now after that is done, then we're going to be cutting the carrots into smaller pieces. And then transfer that into a blender. Okay, so we'll have to keep this aside. So the last ingredient we are going to be needing for this is going to be garlic. Now we're going to be taking just 2. Alright guys, so in this particular one, we're going to be needing just few cloves of garlic here. Okay, well of course if you can take more than that, why not? It's very healthy, yeah, but for me I'm gonna be taking just few cloves of garlic. Alright, so after that, wash it, and then we'll put it inside the blender, and then we're gonna be putting some water in it. And then we'll blend. Okay guys, so this is it. Now we are gonna be sieving this out. So here is it, and now I'm gonna be turning that into the same cup. Stirring it. Okay guys, so this is it. You drink this and then you forget your eyeglasses at home. This will treat any eye infections. This will help you for a strong eyesight, and this is actually very good also for the body. Okay, it nourishes you up and you are going to be glowing from the inside out. So you go try this. You can take it every morning. Okay, immediately you wake up, you just take it, and it's going to be ideal. It's going to be helpful, and it's going to help you, you know, for your eye problem. So forget your glasses at home and try this out. You're not going to regret you did. Okay guys, so that's it. Those are great ingredients for your eyesight. It's literally just transform you. It literally just keep you going, and it literally help you for a short-sightedness. Okay, so go give this drink a go, give it a try, and I'm sure you are going to be loving it. All right, so that's it, guys. If you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.